Hi, I'm your airbag. I'm supposed to save your life. But people put their feet on the dashboard. If I explode, your legs are done.
I'm a jack. I lift the car when I need to change a tire or make repairs. But just put me on a flat surface and check me for rust. I'm the brake disc. I stop the car when you step on the brake pedal. Do you want security? Pay attention to wear and do not ignore the creaking. I am a car compressor. I inflate the tires so that the car drives safely. Check the tire pressure regularly, then the rubber will last much longer. I'm a spare tire. I save you when the main tire is punctured. But don't forget to check my blood pressure, otherwise I'll let you down at the right moment.
I am the battery terminal. I transfer electricity from the battery to the whole car. If I get oxidized, the car may not start, so clean me and tighten me well.
I am the battery. I give energy to make the car start and all the electronics work. Keep the terminals clean and don't discharge me completely, then I'll last much longer. I'm the fuel filter. I clean the gasoline from dirt before it gets into the engine. Change me on time. Dirty fuel can ruin the injectors and the engine. I'm a silencer. I reduce the engine noise and exhaust the exhaust fumes outside. Watch out for corrosion and holes, otherwise the car will become loud and lose power. I'm the brake hose. I transfer the brake fluid to the brakes so that the car can stop. Check me for cracks and leaks, otherwise the brakes may fail. I'm an engine sump. I keep the engine oil that lubricates all the engine parts. Keep an eye on leaks and change the oil on time, then the engine will live longer. I'm an immobilizer. I protect the car and don't let the engine start without the right key. Take care of the key and don't wet it. I won't let the car start without it. I'm a fuse box. I protect all the electronics of the machine from overloads and short circuits. If something stops working, check my fuses and always set the correct rating. I'm a rear view camera. I show you everything that happens behind the car when you park. Keep my lens clean. Dirt or snow can make me blind. I keep your whole car in sync. Pistons and valves are dancing just because of me. If I brake, the engine will turn into an expensive nightmare. I'm the steering rack. I transmit the steering wheel movement directly to the wheels and am responsible for steering accuracy. Keep an eye on the dusters and the liquid, then the steering wheel will always be obedient. I am an automotive multimedia. I am responsible for navigation, music, and car settings management. Keep the screen clean and update the system. Then I will work quickly and error-free. I am a car door handle. Don't pull me by force in winter. First, remove the ice. Now, you may open the door. I am a winter rug in the salon. I'm collecting snow, mud, and water from your shoes. Clean me regularly, otherwise all the moisture will go into the carpet. I'm the handbrake. I fix the car in place, especially on the incline. Use me in the parking lot, and the transmission will thank you. Hey driver! I'm the sun visor, and my job is to block sunlight so you can see the road clearly. Here's my tip. Always use me when the sun hits your eyes. A second of blindness can cause an accident. That click can save your life. I'm the seatbelt. Buckle up every time, even on short trips. I light the road when darkness hides danger. If your headlights look dim, replace the bulbs. Think I'm small? I'm the lug nut. I hold your wheel tightly to the car. Here's my advice. Always tighten lug nuts properly after changing a tire. I'm the gas pedal. I control your engine's power and speed. But remember, press me smoothly, not aggressively. Gentle driving saves fuel and keeps your engine healthy. I'm the brake pedal, and my job is to stop thousands of pounds of metal safely. My advice, if your car vibrates or squeaks while braking, check your brake pads immediately. Ever wondered what happens if you open me when the engine is hot? I'm the radiator cap. I control pressure and keep coolant inside the system. Advice, never open me on a hot engine.
Why doesn't your engine shake like a washing machine?
I'm the balance shaft. I cancel engine vibrations. Advice, always use quality oil.
Your engine could choke without me. I'm the airflow sensor. I measure how much air enters the engine. Advice, keep your air filter clean or I'll start giving wrong data. Would you breathe through a dirty mask? I'm the air filter. I clean the air before it enters the engine. Advice, replace me regularly. Clean air means a healthy engine. Without me, your car is just a very expensive statue. I'm the starter. I spin the engine to begin the combustion. Advice, if you hear clicking instead of starting, check the battery first.
Rocks, ice, potholes, I fight them all. I'm the engine protection plate. I shield the engine from damage. Advice, if you drive rough roads, never remove me.
Stop slamming me. I'm the hood. I protect the engine from rain and dirt. Respect your car. Close me gently.
Crash coming? That's my job. I'm the bumper. I absorb small impacts. But drive carefully. I'm not invincible.
If I fail, your whole car dies. I'm the wiring. I carry electricity everywhere. Protect me from water and damage. I'm the heart of the engine. I'm the engine block where power is born. But change your oil, or I suffer.
Overheat the engine and I'm finished! I'm the head gasket. I seal oil and coolant. Never ignore high temperature. Want your engine to breathe? I'm the radiator grill. I let cool air in. Keep me clean from dirt and bugs. See the engine overheating? That's my warning. I'm the temperature sensor. If I alert you, stop driving. No power? That's my nightmare. I'm the alternator. I charge the battery. If the battery light turns on, check me.
If I fail, your car can't breathe. I'm the catalytic converter. I clean exhaust gases. Advice? Fix misfires fast or I get damaged.
Open me and you might save yourself. I'm the glove box. I store docks and small essentials. Advice? Keep your insurance and registration here.
Without me, your car won't move. I'm the fuel tank. Advice? Don't run empty. It can damage your system.
I'm tiny, but I fire up your engine. I'm the spark plug. Advice? Replace me on time or your engine loses power.
I push fuel or your engine dies. I'm the fuel pump. Advice? Avoid low fuel. It keeps me cool and healthy. If I fail, your car can't breathe. I'm the catalytic converter. I clean exhaust gases. Advice? Fix misfires fast or I get damaged.
Everyone uses me, but ignore me at your own risk.
I'm the trunk. I carry your stuff. Advice? Don't overload me. It hurts your car's balance. Your engine could melt in minutes. I'm the radiator. I cool the engine while you drive. Check your coolant or say goodbye to your motor. See this rubber tube? I'm the coolant hose. I carry hot coolant through the engine. Crack me, and your engine overheats fast.
Too hot or too cold, both kill engines. I'm the thermostat. I control when coolant flows. If I fail, your engine overheats fast. If I break, your wheel can fall off. I'm the wheel hub. I hold your wheel. Hear humming? Check me fast, took me back. If I fail, your brakes fail. I'm brake fluid. I transfer brake power. Check my level or stopping may fail.
I carry the weight of your car. I'm the suspension spring. I absorb bumps. Slow down on bad roads. I keep your wheels from going crazy. I'm the control arm. I connect the wheel to the car and keep it moving in the right direction. My bushings wear out, your steering becomes unstable. Avoid big potholes. I'm the reason you survive crashes. I'm the car body. I protect passengers and hold everything together. Rust is my biggest enemy. Wash your car and protect it from corrosion. This is where you spend hundreds of hours. I'm the car interior. A clean interior keeps you comfortable and focused. Take care of me like your second home.